This is the story of 5 social activists fighting for what they believe in. Young people about to redefine what's next, challenging the status quo, transforming the rules of beauty, inspiring others to transform themselves.
You are unique, and that is a good thing. Don't compare yourself.
I do not care about what you think I am or how you think I should present myself.
I'm anti-body shaming. I mean, I'm kind of anti-shaming in general.
I like that scaredness. It's cool to go out of your comfort zone.
The next generation, shaping the future of beauty.
Beauty is changing for the better.
With only one rule: never be boring. I am Rena. I am What's Next. We are What's Next.